Look here, see, it's another WhatGear Word on the street, and this week it's the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Or will they follow suit with Apple and call it the X?
This is iPhone 10.
And listen here real quick, I heard no matter what other flagship smartphones Samsung's rivals throw at them, the Note 10 will kill them all.
Whoever comes, whoever it is, I'll kill them. I'll kill them all.
So here's the tech and specs we could expect on the Galaxy Note 10. An on-screen fingerprint reader and an edge-to-edge and top-to-bottom screen, making it a completely bezel-less design. And of course, it will be Gorilla Glass 6. This will have the usual left and right curved edges, but this time we might see curved top and bottom edges too. However, it might have a notch at the top. The screen could be Samsung's very own 4K Super AMOLED display. And Samsung might give you the option to screen mirror 4K to a 4K TV or monitor. And of course it will support super fast wireless charging. It will have a retina scanner on the front and maybe 2 front-facing cameras. And these could be 12 megapixels. So plenty more opportunities to take high-quality, embarrassing selfies. On the rear of the phone, we could see 2 23 megapixel cameras, one of which might be a telephoto lens. And with this, the Note 10 should stand up to any smartphone's cameras in a shootout.
Shootout, right? It's a shootout! Like a West.
Inside the phone, we should see a Snapdragon 845 and Adreno 630 GPU. And Qualcomm's very own X50 5G modem. Yes, it will support 5G, which means up to 1 gig download speed.
So you're fast.
As for the onboard storage, we should see 128 gigabytes as standard, with the option to upgrade with expandable memory. And this means plenty more room for aggressive expansion.
There's a lot of potential for aggressive expansion.
And yes, of course, it will have a full metal body. And now it's time for my favorite section I like to call Taking a Leak. I heard Samsung have made an unlock feature that recognizes you based off of your blood flow. So you just simply have to hold the phone and the device will unlock. And I heard the Note 10 might be the world's first flexible screen phone, and that would be fantastic. Just like Mr. Fantastic. And I heard the Note 10 will have the ability to display holograms just in case you steal the Death Star plans and need to send an SOS to old Ben.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
And I heard the Note 10 will have a clickable stylus, but this time it might actually have a function, a remote control maybe for taking photos.
Why didn't I think of that?
And I heard Samsung have now perfected their exploding batteries, so if somebody steals your phone, they'll be sorry they did. So that's it for this WhatGear Word on the street. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'd love to know what ideas you think Samsung might add into this new phone. So leave a comment below this with your best ideas. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and you will be one of the finest subscribers known to man. And I'll see you guys in the next one, so don't be late.